Julia here. I just wanted to give you a few tips for joining your first live stream class via MindBody at Mountain Soul Yoga. So after you sign up for class in MindBody Online, you'll receive an email about 30 minutes before class begins that looks just like this. You'll go ahead and click here to join, and it's going to navigate to the video platform. If you're not signed in, it will ask you to sign in using your credentials, and then you'll be brought to this screen. Hi. So two things that's important to know is, unlike Zoom, right now anyway, we can't turn off your microphone for you. So before you click join live stream, you'll just go up here to this icon that looks like a microphone. You don't have to click the up arrow next to it. You'll just click on the microphone, either with your mouse or your finger. It's going to turn gray with a line through it, and then you're muted. So if you have kids, dogs, music in the background, we won't be able to hear it. And then you can turn your video off if you're not camera ready and you'd rather us not see you. Same thing, you just click on that icon that looks like a camcorder from the 1990s. That's going to turn off your video, but you can also leave that on if you prefer. And then when you're ready, you'll click join live stream and you will be in class.